play Brookhaven. Rate mine outfit and comment. Hey. Yeah. You know this. You know this prop, this ticket, this 800 ticket, and this. I owned it. Look. Look. First, I need to spawn my supercar. You can believe now? Wait, guys. Because the wheels is so ugly. Just wait. This is so low. Yeah, this is I want it. Yeah, I have no Robux. Yeah, I will going to spawn my treehouse. Because wow, their mansion is so impressive. Sweet. Yeah, this is my treehouse. Guys, you can believe now? Yeah. That is my talking about. I lock it. Yeah, I played this game with my friend and one cup just pulled me over, but we don't stop. The cup just me down is my best friend, but the first place we stopped in the beach suddenly, but again the cop follow us, but we don't have anything, and we just run away. We never robbed the bank. And quickly, my best friend and me, our supercar, with the cop, we are not see again. Like, yeah, this is here. We fight with my cop. Yeah. My best friend part here. Yeah. And just a cop. It just chased me down as my best friend. Yeah. Bye guys. But don't forget below my outfit. Pretty solid. Please rate it a 10. Bye! See you the next video.